Hello everybody, today I am going to unbox SD Biosensor standard Q Dengue NS1 antigen test cassette, the rabbit test kit for dengue. Let me quickly go through this box for you. This is one side, this is the other side. This is a SD Biosensor standard Q Dengue NS1 antigen test cassette. This can be done using serum, plasma and the whole blood. This IVD certified product. Okay, let me unbox this for you. Okay, basically this box contains one package insert, that's an instruction manual, and you have 20 test cassettes. Let me take 2 cassettes for you. Okay, here you go. Yeah, and you have the individual droppers, 20 droppers. That is the specimen transfer device, or you can call it a dropper. This is it. Okay, this is the contents. This is the complete contents, just to show you. Let me show you the other side. This is a Dengue NS1 antigen rabbit test kit. I'll just close this and just quickly to show you, this is the total test cases. Let me align this for you. Just to quickly show you, this is SD Biosensor standard Q Dengue NS1 antigen rabbit test kit. It contains 20 test cassettes and 20 specimen transfer device, or you can call it a dropper, and the one package insert. This is the total content of the kit. Thank you.